All right, let's take a look at one more before I head off to class, and then I'll come back and finish these out. So the first one here is going to be h of x equals x to the 1/4, and it specifically wants h prime of 16. All right, we're definitely in the shortcut world now, so we're going to go h prime of x equals. We're going to apply the power rule, so we're going to bring that 1/4 out front, and then we're going to have x raised to, we're going to subtract 1. 1 is the same as 4/4, so we're looking at a negative 3/4. All right, it specifically wanted this at 16, so I think where our problem's going to be is not so much in the calculus, but in how the heck are we going to evaluate 16 to the negative 3/4. All right, we always want to make numbers smaller first when possible, so we're going to take the 4th root first. 4th root of 16 is 2. All right, so I'm at 1/4, 2 to the negative 3rd now. All right, and then we're going to raise it to the 3rd, so we're going to make it bigger again. So 1/4, 2 to the 3rd is going to be 8, but we're still to a negative 1 at this point. That means we're going to have to push that in the bottom. All right, so I have 1/4 times 1/8, and 4 times 8 is going to be 16 plus 16, or 32. So we have 1 over 32. All right, so the correct answer for this one is 1 over 32. And again, it used some of our old skills from way back when, evaluating numbers here, but you got to be comfortable doing that with or without a calculator. All right, I hope that helps with that one. Have a great day. I'll be back with more of these later.